I gave ChatGPT $0 and told it to make me money. No shortcuts, no paid tools. If this works, anyone can do it. Most AI videos promise easy cash, but nobody actually proves it. So today I'm doing a real test. I opened a fresh ChatGPT window and gave it a simple prompt. You are an entrepreneurial AI. Your goal is to make me money with a $0 budget, starting from absolute scratch. I have no special skills, no audience, and no followers. It's just me, the AI, and the internet. If this experiment fails, you'll see it fail in real time. But if it works, you'll see every single step. The first thing I noticed was what ChatGPT didn't suggest. There was no mention of crypto, dropshipping, or any of those overhyped business models. Instead, it suggested something much simpler and more direct: micro-freelance services. These are small, essential tasks that businesses need done every day, but often don't have the time or staff to handle themselves. ChatGPT generated a list of potential services I could offer immediately. Things like writing email templates, crafting product descriptions for e-commerce stores, generating social media captions, rewriting resumes to be more impactful, and optimizing professional bios for platforms like LinkedIn. These are all tasks that can take a person hours to perfect, but with AI, they can be done in just minutes. So, that became the plan. Use ChatGPT to create these services and sell speed, not just skill. The entire experiment is built on that one idea. Can AI-powered speed be a sellable product? Next, I asked ChatGPT for the next logical step. What's the absolute fastest service I can sell today? Its response was clear. Offer instant business copywriting. The logic was that every business needs words, and they usually need them fast. So I created a simple one-sentence gig. I'll write professional text for your business in 5 minutes. That's it. I posted this offer on a freelance platform that didn't require any upfront fees. There was no fancy website, no logo, no branding. The entire sales pitch was built on one thing: speed. While I waited for a response, I didn't just sit there. I used that time productively. I had ChatGPT generate a portfolio of samples. I created examples of landing page text, cold outreach emails, and a week's worth of Instagram captions for a fictional coffee shop. I had everything pre-made and ready to go. The idea was that when someone messaged me, I could deliver the finished product almost instantly. That's the real advantage of using AI. It transforms your waiting time into preparation time. You're always one step ahead. The first message came in much faster than I expected. Someone needed a product description for a new handmade leather wallet they were selling online. They sent me a few bullet points about its features. I copied those details, pasted them into ChatGPT with a prompt to create 3 different versions of a compelling product description, each with a slightly different tone. It generated the options in seconds. I spent maybe another 20 seconds refining the best one, making a few tweaks to make it sound more human, and sent it back to the client. The whole process was done in under 5 minutes, and just like that, the payment was received. That's the moment it all clicked for me. AI isn't some magic money printer. It's leverage, specifically speed leverage. You're not really selling words, you're selling time back to busy entrepreneurs and business owners. And that's a product that businesses will buy every single day of the week. I repeated this exact process for the rest of the day. Each new request, a new task, took only minutes to complete, not hours. There was no stress, no overthinking, just a simple system and focused execution. The AI handles the heavy lifting, and I handle the client communication and final polish. But here's the reality check. The truth that most AI hype videos leave out? AI doesn't replace work, it compresses it. You still have to show up, you still need to be responsive to messages. You still have to deliver a quality final product. But the AI removes all the friction, all the tedious parts of the process that slow you down. That's where the real money is hidden. It's not in the hype, it's in the efficiency you gain. If you treat ChatGPT like a powerful tool instead of a lottery ticket, it gives you an almost unfair advantage over everyone else who's still doing things the old slow way. So, at the end of this experiment, did ChatGPT make me rich? No, of course not. But it proved something far more valuable. You don't need money to build momentum. You just need leverage. And right now, AI is the most accessible form of leverage available to anyone who is willing to take action. If you want to see me push this experiment even further, I'm ready for round 2. Maybe with a different strategy or with higher stakes. Let me know in the comments what I should force AI to try and build next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see what happens.